the clouds, and I'm not coming down. I used to swim, now I'm ready to sink. I wanna give you what I cannot do.
Hello, my people. Now, good afternoon. How na dey? So my name is Joy. Love your body. So you don't know why I can't live for why I can't live, why I post for YouTube. So that is because I've been so busy. I dey busy na cause am. I dey busy say no me say I don't get time for now. So from September now they see me for life. I go dey post from September. So this one this one the room where they use to the work now. So I dey try to make am look like something. So I never true. I still dey continue I did this painting last 2 weeks and paint this one. As I dey holiday now, so So now be that one carry me come. Wetin carry me come be say I add 3 kilo. I add 3 kilo. So most of una wey dey see me say I dey do workout every day, I dey waka, I dey ride bicycle all the time. Not because say I no get work. I be very busy mom. I dey work. Since when I take on this Europe, people wey know me for a very long time, I've been working. So that time where I take dey work, where I take dey do my workout, that time I no dey take am play. So this time, because of my 40th birthday wey I organize, my friend wey do wedding last on the 17th, so a lot of things, because I join her and do choreograph and all those stuff. So we dance together. So I'll still go see them, we'll still dance, eat, all those stuff. So I add some weight, and this summer I not work for this summer, because last year summer I really work. I say if I stand up now, so my leg will dey shake. I work, but wetin I work for, I still say thank God. So this summer I promise my family say I no go work. So now me and them this summer. So now I was saying all those ones na my luggage on the theory now we dey take flight, we dey comot. My husband go dey holiday this evening. I dey happy. I dey happy. Oh, we'll go out today. I dey happy. So wetin make me come be say I say make I show now. No say before if I do this one, oh my belle, see am. You see am? You see am? I add some kilo. I add 3 kilo. I did 68 kilo instead of 65 now I did since when I take lose weight. So that 65 kilo, all of now, many of now they see me say I reduce well, but I lean, but I get muscle. I burn out those fats, but muscle, I gain muscle. So I lean, but I gain muscle. I did heavy. I still did my 65 kilos since, because I be 1.65 m. Now be my height. So I did normal. Everything is okay. So ladies, if you know you lose weight, you work on yourself, then you just want to stop. You want to stop. You don't want to do exercise again. You say, hey, I don't reduce, I don't do anything again. No. Don't do it. You have to continue, because maybe your routine now lifestyle which way be that you have to continue to maintain it. Sorry, now routine every time, because not leave yourself. You fit still get back those fat where you lose now. Those you fit still get them back. So you have to continue. So imagine as a lady, calorie where we supposed to they take a day now 1,800 to 2,000 calorie per day for women. For men are from 2,100 to 2,004 calorie per day. Imagine say you take that one today, tomorrow you take that one. They do exercise, or you accumulate them from January to December. They do exercise, or they work out, you just eat. They look TV throughout the day. Many people they live like that. So if you say if they live like that, my sisters, my brothers, so me Joy alias Love Your Body, I can't pass this message to you today. Say, may you stop and not they live like that again. Not good for your health. It's not good for your health, because we human, we not come inside this world, come sit down for one place. We need to move. We move. So now so if you want to work on yourself, or if you want to really work on yourself, from September we'll start new program for 4 months. So this 3 kg where I add, so they're not the two senior, but senior here. So I dey check myself. So this one is my new office. Now here we're from the worker for September. They try to put 1 or 2 things together. So I like black and gold color for deco this time. So now this room I dey try to arrange. I never finish, so I still dey come. So now my visitors room, so I know they get visitors all the time, not be every day that they come, but their space still dey here. I still arrange am, bed dey the other side, telly dey the other side, so I dey use am anytime wey I take get visitors. I make sure say they still get their the day for their comfort room as normal. No, that one not be problem. So this is where we'll be going live from September. So I'm looking for serious women, 8 women to join me from September to work on their self. So exercising and they eat correct food now, wey good for our system, you understand. So exercise, so they eat better food, wey good for our body, all those now vegetables, fruits, our shake. So we'll dey arrange them together. So if you want join me, make you contact me before September. For now, I know they work on Tuesday. I dey fly out with my husband and my girl. So